Okay, welcome to project 2. The second project is one that's going to use a list, or actually two lists, to generate either random insults or random compliments. The idea behind the project is we're going to have one person that can insult you, the other person that can compliment you, and then you can also add new insults or compliments as you see fit. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to make two variables, and we're going to make a variable called compliments, and we're going to make a variable called insults. Now both of these variables are going to be lists. So instead of just a regular variable, they're going to be this new fancy variable called a list. So the first variable is compliments, and you put it here, and then I'm going to add compliments to the compliments variable. So what I've done is I've created this list. I've turned compliments into a list, but this is the first item in the list, and you can see that it is empty. So I'm going to type in, "You are having a wonderful hair day." That's my first compliment. My second compliment is going to say, "You are so funny." And my third compliment is going to say, "People really like spending time with you." Period. Now I'm going to drag this over so you can see that there are all these compliments here. Here they are. Okay, so I've got three compliments. Now I'm going to create another, well, I've already created the variable insults, and so I'm going to find my insults, and again the list insults is going to be "You have bad breath," and let's see, another one will be "I see Paris, I see France, I see your underpants." Okay, so those are my insults, and both of them are, I've now created these lists. Notice that these haven't changed. They're still 0 because nothing has actually implemented these. So there's no start to this. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to actually start this. So I'm going to put a control button in. When clicked, and variables, set compliments to, I made a slight mistake, so I actually don't need that there. Set compliments to, here's the list. One more compliment is "You have great taste in clothes." Okay, so I'm setting compliments to this list. Now I'm going to set insults to this second list. "You have ugly shoes." Okay. So there we go. So when the flag is clicked, these two variables are going to change. They're no longer going to say 0. Let's see what happens when I click this. Alright, the variables have changed into lists of, and it shows you the length is 4 and the length of this variable is 3. So I've created two lists, one of compliments, one of insults.